Playa del Carmen, nestled along the stunning Riviera Maya in Mexico, is a vibrant coastal town that offers a perfect blend of tropical beauty, cultural diversity, and lively entertainment. As a hub of the Yucatan Peninsula's tourism, Playa del Carmen captivates visitors with its pristine beaches, bustling nightlife, and a range of activities that cater to every traveler's desires. The white sand beaches of Playa del Carmen, fringed by turquoise waters, create a postcard-worthy backdrop for relaxation and water-based activities. From sunbathing and swimming to snorkeling and diving in the nearby Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, the second-largest coral reef system in the world, the coastal offerings are a paradise for ocean enthusiasts. Fifth Avenue, Quinta Avenida, the town's pedestrian-friendly main thoroughfare, is a bustling hub of shops, restaurants, cafes, and galleries. This lively strip showcases a mix of international brands, local boutiques, and artisanal crafts, making it a shopping haven that reflects Playa del Carmen's cosmopolitan character. The nearby ecological theme park, Xcaret, offers a blend of nature, culture, and adventure. Visitors can snorkel in underground rivers, swim with dolphins, explore Mayan archaeological sites, and witness cultural performances that celebrate Mexico's rich heritage. Cozumel, a short ferry ride away, offers world-class scuba diving and snorkeling opportunities, with vibrant marine life and colorful coral reefs that make for unforgettable underwater experiences. Playa del Carmen's nightlife is a dynamic tapestry of options, with beachfront bars, clubs, and music venues that come alive after sunset. From salsa dancing and live music to beach parties, the town offers a variety of entertainment choices for those looking to dance the night away. For a taste of the region's natural beauty, the cenotes, natural sinkholes filled with fresh groundwater, are a must-visit. The Cenote dos Ojos, for instance, offers the chance to swim and snorkel in crystal-clear waters amid enchanting cave formations. Food enthusiasts can savor a diverse range of cuisines in Playa del Carmen, with everything from traditional Mexican street food to international gourmet fare. The town's culinary scene showcases fresh seafood, local ingredients, and a fusion of flavors that cater to various palates. Playa del Carmen's artistic and cultural scene is evident in its galleries, exhibitions, and festivals that celebrate creativity. The Riviera Maya Jazz Festival, held annually, attracts both local and international musicians and music lovers. In essence, Playa del Carmen offers a multifaceted experience that combines natural beauty, cultural vibrancy, and endless entertainment options. Whether it's unwinding on pristine beaches, exploring underwater wonders, immersing in local culture, or enjoying the lively nightlife, Playa del Carmen invites travelers to embark on a journey that captures the essence of Mexico's coastal charm and energy.